Keto is high fat, low carb, moderate protein. You're going to be eating about 70% fat, 20% protein, and 10% carbs depending on your body type. With keto, you're using fat as your fuel source instead of your carbs. You're using fat to convert into ketones that will lead your body into ketosis. The benefits of keto are mental clarity, also increased energy because you're not eating carbs as your energy source. It can also help you maintain or even lose weight as well as improve your digestion. You must eliminate grains, starchy veg like sweet potatoes and potatoes, legumes, alcohols, sugar. You can still eat your protein, your steak, your ground beef, your chicken, as well as good healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, coconut cream, and some nuts. Don't worry, Meaningful Foods has you covered. We just launched our dairy-free keto line. We now have pre-orders open till December 20th. Your order in before then. First delivery, December 31st.